there we go. It's very fushy. Kind of. Hello. If you see my last thrift haul video, you saw that I got Big Bertha here, and I want to test her out a little bit better. Now, I did test her out on a different material, and she did really well. So I think I can move forward on turning this dress into a skirt. Yeah. So if you want to watch me use Big Bertha here, old sewing machine, to do this, I did look it up. It was like 1959 to 80? 1980? Let me look it up real quick. Singer 247 sewing machine was made around 1974 to 1980. And here it is, all pinned up. Now, I am going to be losing some of the sleeve part, but that's, not sleeve, pocket part, but that's okay. I have it all pinned, and my first thought is just to make a drawstring through here, and then tie it on the side, so to speak, so I leave a hole open to tighten it up. Or I might just use elastic, I don't know, we'll find out. Let's go to the sewing machine. And you might have noticed I have a thingy up here. But it's not an ordinary thingy. It's not like a thingy that goes to the machine, right? I kind of improvised and put a little skewer in this hole. And you know what? It's working out just fine. So we're just going to go with the flow. A minute. Gather all this stuff up here. My brain is not operating right for some reason. I guess it's because it's really late at night. But I pinned all this on the sides. I'm not going to sew this part because I think I still want to use elastic or a tie string. I don't know. We'll see. I probably should have did the hemming on the top last, but I didn't. So there's that. I'm going to sew the sides together and then I'll be back. Okay, here is another try on, but actually you get to see it this time because I remembered to press that record button. Alright, so I did the side pieces on the sides, yeah, and then I still haven't closed this part up, but I think I want to put elastic through here. If I do elastic, it would bring it all zipped up like that, right? But also saw a lot of skirts that I was liking, so this is more, to my body. And then I want to add maybe like the 3 buttons on each side, because I saw some where it's like, the holes, the grommets, the ties, kind of like that kind of skirt. But if I did that with that, then I would have to wear another skirt underneath this, and I don't want to do all that. I just want to wear this skirt. So elastic up here, and then I'll do the I got white buttons, so I was just going to do 3 white buttons on each side, and there she is. So I'll probably do that tomorrow because it's 1 o'clock now and I need sleep. And I can get elastic tomorrow instead of robbing something of elastic tonight, which I was planning on doing. And then I found out the thing I was going to rob it from actually still in good condition, so I put that back. I'll get some elastic tomorrow. Till then. Fred playing with his tail. Buttons. Well, it is now another day. A whole day has came and gone, and now it's 11 o'clock at night, and we are here. And here is my thought process. I have the thick, it says non-roll woven elastic. So I'm going to use this for the waistband. Just gonna, put it around there, thread it in the skirt, right? And then, I'm not too sure what I want to use this for. I was thinking about the shirt, but then I looked into my other sewing kit and found this pattern. And everything that I'm talking here is just the waist, because I decided to go rogue and I went to my room and got a shirt and put it on the top and traced it out, and there's that. So all this pattern talk about my future self wearing this top was pointless, and the rest got deleted. On to the next. Threading the elastic through my loopholes. Easy peasy. Voila! All I did was thread the elastic in, and as you can see, there's lots of overlap. I'm going to have to tighten it up just a little bit more, because if I suck it in, it's very loose, and I don't want that. So I'm not going to be really sucking it in much. Out. But I do want it to be comfy and not squishing your body. I don't want it to be uncomfortable. So I'm going to take it in just slightly. And I do want it to sit around here. I guess that's my waist. At my waist. Slightly above my waist. Just a slight above my waist. And then there we go. It's very swooshy. Kinda. Yep. Guess that. Swoosh. Guess that's what I like about it. Okay. Well, let's get to sewing this thing up. And then I'm going to add the buttons. The faux buttons. But buttons nonetheless. I'm still undecided about the top. I think I'm just going to think about it for a while. Oh well. Alrighty. Let's see. This is where I want. Maybe I should mark it so I can take these pens out. When I take these pins out, I have marks where my elastic stops. Right? Be smarter. I don't know how to sew elastic. Just gonna do it this way first. We'll see how it goes. Boop. know if I'm supposed to sew up and down or all the way vertical or horizontal. I don't know. Do we do horizontal here or vertical here? I don't know, guys. And this was also through Valentine's Day. So here is our dinner with our Alfredo pasta and steak, which is brought to you by Louisiana Cooking and Living, Katie. She cooked this and I just could not get it out of my head, so I had to cook it too. And strawberry shortcake, omelet for the next day. Can't waste that steak. And we're back to our outfit. This is what I was talking about previously. Just took an old shirt, laid it down, and apparently this was a gaming day because we gamed a lot today. And the kids gamed too.
I did do a wheelie. I flipped it over. No.
But did you still win? So like that, but did you die? And enough of all that sounding, because we're back to our sewing. But this is what I was listening to while I was cutting and sewing. It's great audio, isn't it? But maybe later I will give you some more sewing sounds, because I feel like that's soothing too. I like to hear other people's sewing sounds for some reason. And so I gave it to you as well. And here is the top. Now, I decided to put these ribbons on the side so I can tie it together. I don't know. I saw a shirt and I was like, I could do that to this one. And so we went to the machine and started sewing. And after I sewed all 8 ribbons on the shirt, I have lovely music in the background of Call of Duty that I will show you in a bit. But after we snipped all of our little threads off, our runners, we have to sew the hem, which I just folded it over twice, one time and then another time, so you wouldn't be able to see the bottom piece, and I zigzagged where the part was. But here's Handsome. Look at him. He is getting so good at Call of Duty. It's just so cute. And with that, it's on to the reveal. And that's it. I hope you enjoyed this. My final thoughts about this outfit. Well, I think it's okay for my first thrift up video. My first thrift up dress, right? Yeah. Turned out good. I think I will be using the top for like the beach time. We have your bathing suit underneath and then you want to get changed. You know, this will be a good cover top, right? And the skirt's nice and flowy. And I bet you it's going to be so good feeling in the summertime. Like, it's going to be so flowy, so airflow. You know what I'm saying? I'm trying to say, I don't know. If you know, you know, right? So, all in all, there is a few little imperfections, like how the skirt bottom piece fits properly, you know. I mean, the tightness around my waist, that's good, that's okay. But how the curve of the skirt bottom pieces, that was a little weird with the buttons. Although I did measure the buttons, and then I kind of eyeballed the buttons, you know. Well, on the shirt's okay. I was going to sew it to where it'd be a tighter fit, but then I felt like it wasn't going to fit over my head. So then I went to the tie option, and I think it'll be alright. Wear a sports bra underneath, or maybe like a gym top. It could be a gym top, you know. It could, yeah. Well, that's it. As I was wearing this, I felt like I was Jane from Tarzan. All in yellow. right? Yep. With that, I will leave you until the next video. See you beautiful souls next time. You're beautiful. You're amazing. Don't let anybody tell you otherwise. Have a good day. Take care. Bye.